Ayan o, basahin mo kayo. Ayan o.
This is a black.
We're not going near here. So you can sit and look at it.
What's that then?
I do not explain. Now we're going to sit on the front chair. I seen an eyeball on the fish. Is it?
Nobody is allowed to come down the stairs. All stay upstairs.
Kakaiba yung fish na to.
Ha?
Kakaiba.
Bakit?
Tingnan mo. What's this ba? Well, what's this? Ito. Totoo ba to?
Wow, what's this?
Although flash siya.
Ayan,
What's that fish?
takot. Natin,
Ha?
tinitingnan ka niya yan.
Fish? What's that, Eli?
Nagtago yung lobster. Is that a lobster?
Find the lobster. Where's the lobster? Wow.
Look.
Where's the lobster? Hello.
Hi, Yan.
Wow, dami
Yan,
fish, oh.
say hi.
Say hi, Ed.
Hi, Yan. Hi.
Wow. So this is, what fish is that? Here you go. Wow. Yep. So this fish is
Yan, ay, look.
Punta ka na sa fish. How about that?
It's called Atlantic.
Wow. Hello.
Atlantic redfish.
Hi. Wow, hello. Imagine that. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Tara, balik na lang tayo.
Saan ka na?
What is it? Thick rib. So there are 1, 2, 3. Three types of fishes.
Ang tawa ang maliit. Ha? What's that? Ah! Crab. Nakita mo pa yan?
Look at the fish.
Ay, ako.
They're sleeping. Wow.
What's that?
8 years lang
Oh,
pala
kiss
buhay
ka
niya.
daw. Kiss ka daw ng fish. Hi.
8 years lang buhay niya.
Don't touch the tongue. Okay? Oh, look. Hello, look. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wow, mommy, that's that.
What's that? Look, Helay. What's that? What's this, El? And what's that, El?
Wow.
This one, El, what's this? Ah, you cannot see clearly when you're there. You know? Hindi mo kita dyan, pero pag sa salamin kita mo.
Oo, ano.
Oh, no hands in that.
No, Elay. It's scary.
Ayun na. Yes, sir. Ah, si Daddy. I like how ka Daddy. Ay, octopus yun. Kasi ito octopus. Octopus. You know where the poison is? Ayan o, dyan na nilalabas yung poison.
Wow. What's that?
My teeth.
Tawa ka na.
Mom, look on your side.
Wow. Hi. Hi. Hi, guys.
El, say hi to the...
Hello.
Mommy. I found something.
Snap sila, snap. Hello.
Here is the... Tara, let's go more to see upstairs. Ha?
Ah, jellyfish. Ano to? Ano to?
Shark scales. Yes. 1 to 1. What's that?
Stop. Bye.
Ano nga natin ito lang? Pinwheel na natin.
Good idea.
Oo nga, Ella, imagine this whale on the sea. Female anatomy.